Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to screen record in Infinix 40 Pro. So it's really easy and simple. You have to swipe down, and then if you don't see the icon, simply swipe left. Then you have to click on this arrow, and here you will see the option screen recorder. Simply click here. Here you can see the screen is going to record. Simply turn off this option, and here you will see the settings. Here you can see if you want to record microphone sound, simply click here. You can also change the image quality from 720p to 1080p. You can also click on show tabs if you want to make a video using tabs. So if you click here, as you can see, the tab is available. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.